Hi, Leilani. I am just wanting to make sure that you know how to sign into Imagine Learning. And Leslie, I hope this is helpful for you as well. So first, you can go to your dashboard. So to get to your dashboard, you go to the David Douglas website, which is right here. So ddouglas.k12.or.us. And then you go to Students. And then you go down to Student Google Login. And here you're going to put in your username and your password. So your username and password is on a little card that I sent you that has orange and yellow on it. If you don't have that card anymore, here is your username and password. It's 760518 for your username. And your password is your birth date. So it's 02212014, February 21st, 2014. All right, once you get to the dashboard, then you are going to go ahead and press on Imagine Learning. And then it says, is your name Leilani? And of course you would push yes. If for some reason it says a different name, you would push no, and then you would go back and make sure that you put in the correct username and password. But if you put in the right ones, then it's right there. You press yes. It takes a minute, as you can see, to load up. Oh, it's once you're in and you've done your 30 minutes, to stop, you press the pause button and then you press log out and you're all done. Hopefully that was helpful for you. Let me know if you guys have any other questions or if you're still having trouble getting in.